first graders. Thanks for coming back to another phonics skills lesson. Remember, our phonics or skills time is the time during the day when we learn about how words work, how we can read and write words, and how to learn a word's meaning. So today is another kind of practice lesson where we're just going to go through those 3 steps of our lessons where we watch the video. Well, you watch the video. And then leave your iPad to do an activity, and then return to your iPad to complete your seesaw assignment, okay? So it's another practice. We're gonna do those 3 parts, all right? Our practice phonics learning target is, I can find things that rhyme. So maybe in kindergarten you learned about some rhyming words, like cat, hat, mat, rat, or mop, pop, cop, top, or pig, wig, rig. Can you think of another one? So what we're going to do is look around our homes and try to find some rhyming words, some pictures of some things that rhyme. So I'm going to look around my home. Oh, I've already found my first pair. I have this puppet. It's a fish. Hi, fish. Look, it's my students in there. Aren't they smart looking? Aren't they nice looking? Aren't they good looking? That's fish. So fish, dish. Ta-da! It's a rhyming word. Fish, dish. Ish. I also have a power cable. Okay, so we're going to call this power. It's my iPad charger, but it's a power cable. So power, flower, flower power. That rhymes. This one's my favorite because Lupa's in it. Sleepy puppy. Can you say hi to my class? Hello. She was taking a little nap. Lupa is my dog. Dog, frog. Do we have a frog in here? No. Dog, bog. Lupa, is there a bog in here? No. Frog, dog, log. Is there a log? Yes, there is. Ooh. Log, dog. These words rhyme. So the rhyming words that I found were fish, dish, power, flower, and dog, log. Now you can look around your house to see if you can find some words that rhyme. Cat, hat. When you're finished with that, when you found a couple of words that rhyme, it'll be time to do your paperwork. So the paperwork is in your distance learning box in the folder that has that picture of papers on it, on the little sticker, and then your name. Inside of that folder, you will find a page that looks like this. This is your phonics practice work for today. It says, cut and paste rhymes. So today for phonics, for your away from the iPad activity, you're going to be doing a cut and paste phonics page. So if I'm cutting and pasting, I need 2 tools out of my distance learning box. I need my scissors and I need my glue. So I'm going to pull out my kit. I'm going to find my scissors, hold carefully, and I'm going to pull out a glue stick. There it is. And anytime anything comes out of that distance learning kit, I'm going to make sure that I'm taking good care of it and that I put it back when I'm done. I'm going to make very sure that I do those things. Now I like to use my box lid as my little desk. I put it on my lap and I have a little desk. And that way I have a space to work. So the directions on this page say, cut out each picture at the bottom of the page and paste it beside its rhyming word. So we're going to make rhyming pairs on this page. I'll start by cutting out each picture at the bottom. When I cut with my scissors, I put 2 fingers in the big hole and I put my thumb in the little hole. And when we cut, our scissor hand stays still and we move our paper through the scissors. So let's try that. We're gonna cut this out, but my scissor hand, this hand, won't move except to cut with that scissor. I'm moving this hand. I'm moving the paper into the scissor. And that will help you to cut much, much straighter lines. You don't want your scissor doing the driving. Your scissor is not a good driver. Okay, so I've cut out my big strip, and now I can just cut out one picture at a time. Then they're not going everywhere. So I'm gonna cut out the clock, and let's see where that's gonna go. We can hold it up next to each picture until we hear a rhyme, right? So hat, clock, no. Star, clock, no. Bee, clock, no. Rock, clock, ooh. Rock, clock, rock, clock. That's a rhyme. So I'm gonna glue the clock next to the rock. Now I need my glue stick, and what I like to do when I use my glue stick is I just put one little X on the back of whatever I'm gluing. You don't have to cover it in glue. You don't have to give it a glue bath. That's what I always say. Don't give it a glue bath. Just a little bit of glue, enough to make it stick. So I usually just put an X on the back, and then you put it on your page. You just kind of rub it. I did like this. Like just rub it so it sticks on there. And now I have rock, clock. We can do the next one. I'm gonna cut it off the end here. And it's a bat, okay? Let's see if we can hear that rhyme. Hat, bat. Ooh, hat, bat. It was the first one. I'm gonna just do a little X of glue on the back. Not gonna cover the whole thing or get glue all over my fingers. Just a nice little X. Push it on there. And now I already have two done. Hat, bat, rock, clock. And I'll leave the last two for you to figure out. If you want to color this too, you're welcome to color. Just if you take your crayons out of the box, make sure they go back in. When you're all done with this work, you're going to put it in the folder to give it back to me. So that's the folder that has a little picture of me on it. It says Return to Mrs. McDonald. You're going to put your finished work into that folder. Put that folder back into your distance learning box. Put your scissor back into your bag. And then your glue. Remember, your glue has two parts. You have the stick and the cap. Make sure that cap goes back. Listen for the click. And then put it away. If you put your things away every time you use them, you'll always have them when you need them again. So this was our practice lesson. I can find things that rhyme. You've watched the video. Now you're going to go do your cut and glue sort. Then you'll come back to your iPad to do your seesaw activity. And that is how one whole phonics lesson works. I cannot wait to see what you get done. You're so smart and so good. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.